So in this short video I will show you how to make a video pin in Canva for free. So go to Canva and you can use a free account, and here you write video pin. Pinterest video pin, click here. And then you want to start with a blank canvas. I think that is easier. So let's see here. And you want to have some graphics here. So let's choose from the elements here. And I'm going to make a video pin about my marketing planner. So I want to have a good picture here. Yeah, I like this one. Right, and now I want some text here. So let's click here. So I can choose from my brand colors. And now I want to add some text. So I want to move the text. Yeah, so let's paste the text here. So, and now I want to change the size of the headline here. So let's see. And I also want to change the color of the text here to white. Yeah. And I also want to change the color of this text to white. So and this doesn't look so good. Let's change it again. I want to change the font to something more, little bit more playful. Let's see. Yeah. Yes, looks good. I think this looks good. And then I want to add another frame. So let's see. I can duplicate this frame. So, and here I can choose another picture. So let's add this picture. And now I can change the colors of this picture. Let's go here and click. Yeah, I think this looks good, and we have to change the color of this text. Well, maybe I want to write something different here. Let's write. And let's duplicate this one. So, and we want to have another picture here. This one. Every day is full of beauty. Let this line continue. Live. So, and we want to change the color of this slide. So let's see. I like this one. So, yeah, and now we are going to Inventicity Marketing Planner, implement while you're learning. Every day is full of beauty, live a beautiful life every day, yes. And here I want to write the address to my website. So, and I can use this tool to position my text. So now I want to add some motion here and make this into a film. So let's choose this one, or this one, or this one. Tumble. Yeah, maybe rice. Rice. I think this one is good. So let's see. Yeah, so let's use this one to all the pictures here. So now I can download this and it will become a film. Let's see first what it looks like. Yeah. So what I will do now is I will just download this short film and then I will upload it to Pinterest. And video pins, they get a lot of use on Pinterest and a lot of clicks too, if you make them beautiful like this one. Or maybe you can make an even better video pin than this. Hopefully you can. I made this pin very fast. So if you spend some time creating video pins, they will be really beautiful and they will give you a lot of visits to your website.